Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Phillips of Sequoia Chiropractic. This is my little assistant, Olive, today. We'll be showing you a seated stretch sequence you can do anytime, anywhere that you need a quick reset. So to start, we're going to take a breath in and out. Next, let's reach the arms up overhead, up, like you're gonna touch the ceiling. And release. Next, let's bring one arm up and we're gonna bend to the side. Keep your feet planted on the floor so you're nice and stable. Feel a good stretch here. And release. Same thing on the other side. Reach the arm over, feet planted, nice stretch, and release. Okay, next, we're gonna let the neck drop. Let the mid back drop. Let the low back drop. If you feel like touching the floor, touch the floor. And then we're going to come back up, vertebra by vertebra, rolling back up. Keep your neck nice and relaxed. Rolling up, little bit by a little bit. And then no matter what's going on in your day, sitting up nice and tall, ready to handle it. One last thing, we'll do a few shoulder rolls. Couple forward, and then ending with my favorite, rolling the shoulders back. Do an extra one for good measure, and then you're all set. Have a great day.